Hi, it's Marnie Pedersen from the Getting You Home team at Royal LePage Signature, and I am thrilled to be in the Sawmill Valley Trails just next to our latest listing at 1848 Pine Sisken Court. Sawmill Valley is such a special neighborhood, backing onto the Credit River, Mullet Creek, UTM, close to all amenities. You are not going to want to miss the opportunity to purchase a home in this very coveted street. Are you ready for a pool-sized yard amongst mature trees, nature trails on a quiet, exclusive court? You have found it in this traditional, spacious home. Over 3,500 square feet of living space welcomes you and your family to spread out or come together. The main floor features a light-filled formal living and dining room, an office, family room with a patio walkout and wood-burning fireplace, and a gorgeous kitchen with an additional walkout to the beautiful four-season sunroom. The primary suite boasts a large picture window, his and her closets, and a secret space for wherever your imagination can take you. The large suite can be a quiet retreat, complete with an ensuite bath. 3 additional large bedrooms boast new windows, new carpet, and plenty of room for your family in this beautiful home. It's been known for years why Sawmill Valley is so special to those who live here. Come, explore this property, and find out what makes Sawmill Valley so special and so hard to leave. For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us at our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook. We are Getting You Home.